Welcome to the August Database Showcase. You can find all our databases on our website by going to the Adults tab and selecting Research Databases. This month, we would like to share LinkedIn Learning. You may be familiar with the former name of this resource, lynda.com. LinkedIn Learning is a resource full of courses and videos to aid your professional development. You can access LinkedIn Learning from your home computer or smart device with your library card and PIN. Select Get Started and enter your information to continue. When you log in for the first time, LinkedIn will ask about your professional interests and goals. Simply select the topics you want to work on, and a selection of relevant videos and courses will be shown for you. You may also choose to set a goal at this time, which will appear at the top of your homepage. You can scroll through these videos that LinkedIn has suggested, search other topics with the search bar, or browse topics based on categories. Videos can be saved to view later by clicking on the bookmark icon that appears in the lower right corner of a video when you hover your mouse over. The My Learning tab will show any videos or courses you have saved and the progress that you've made on any courses. The Skills tab is where you can add or remove any skills that you're interested in. LinkedIn Learning is accessible through the Orrville Public Library website by going to the Adult tab and selecting Research Databases. Have a great day.